In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change paragraph and line spacing in OneNote. Adjusting paragraph and line spacing is a simple yet powerful way to make your notes more readable and visually organized. Whether you're working on lengthy documents or just want a cleaner layout for your everyday notes, customizing spacing can significantly improve the clarity of your work. To begin, open your Microsoft OneNote application and navigate to the notebook you want to edit. Make sure the page you're working on is active and ready for formatting. Once your notebook is open, head over to the Home tab. This is where all your essential formatting tools are located, including font styles, text alignment, and of course, spacing options. Within the Home tab, locate the paragraph spacing icon, which is easily recognizable by the up and down arrows. Clicking this icon opens a dialog box where you can adjust the spacing parameters for your text. This is where you can fine-tune how your paragraphs and lines appear on the page. Inside this window, you'll see 3 fields labeled Before, After, and Line Spacing. The Before field determines the space that appears before each paragraph, while the After field controls the space following a paragraph. The line spacing field adjusts the space between individual lines within a paragraph. By entering numbers into these fields, you can customize the layout exactly how you want it. For instance, starting with values like 6 or 12 can give you a sense of how the spacing affects readability. One of the advantages of this feature is that you can experiment and gradually adjust the spacing until it feels comfortable for your eyes. Some users prefer tighter spacing for dense notes, while others opt for more generous spacing to give their content breathing room. This flexibility allows you to match your formatting style to your workflow, making your notes both functional and visually appealing. Once you've adjusted the settings to your preference, click OK to apply the changes. You'll immediately see the effect on your text, allowing you to continue editing with a layout that suits your needs. And that's it. You've successfully customized paragraph and line spacing in OneNote, creating notes that are organized and easy to read. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.